So let's continue. We did few problems of integration. So let's move on further. Few means one ही problem किया. So just as an example, एक दो तीन problem थोड़े से learn कर लो. Learn means how to solve it. So one of them is like integral. अगर हमको solve करना है x raised to 7/2 dx. Okay. Then what we'll do? We'll use the formula integral x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this will become x raised to 7/2 plus 1 upon 7/2 plus 1. Okay. And because we have taken the integral, we can add plus c. And this is the reason for that. So ये final answer हो जाएगा x raised to 9/2 divided by 9/2 plus c, which you can rewrite as 2/9 x raised to 9/2 plus c. Okay, so that's how you can solve this problem, x raised to 7/2. Next is second one. The second problem we can consider is, suppose instead of this now, you have something like 3x plus 5 raised to 4 over here, dx. Okay, so in this case, because this is 3x plus 5, the power of x is still 1 only. Because of that, you can write this as 3x plus 5 raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1, but the coefficient of x is 3, so you have to divide by that 3, 1/3 into this plus c. Okay, this is that formula, integral f of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 upon a g of ax plus b. Okay, then whatever this 3 आएगा, इधर 5 आएगा, 5 into 3 15 बन जाएगा, ये 5 हो जाएगा. Okay, that is small work. You can complete that problem. Okay, I'll take 3 more 5-6 examples so that you get used to it. Third one, integral. Let's consider 2x square minus 7 raised to 3 dx. Okay. Now in this case, don't try and do this problem like this कि 1/2 आ जाएगा into 2x square minus 7 raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus c. This is wrong. This is not how this will be solved, because here the power of x is 2, it's not 1. Okay, you can use this only when the power of x is 1. It is ax plus b, linear expression, ax plus b, तो ही, not ax square plus b, ax raised to mb, no, only ax plus b. So this is 2x square minus 7 raised to 3. You cannot solve the problem in this way. इसको क्या करोगे तुम? You'll have to expand this one. So ये a minus b the whole cube use करना पड़ेगा. So it's a cube. Okay, minus 3 a square b. 2x square square 7 plus 3ab square 2x square 7 square minus b cube 7 cube dx. Someone is coming. Okay, and so this will become equal to integral 2 cube is 8 and x raised to 6, this will be, minus, this is 2 2s are 4, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 7 is 84. So it's 84, and this is x raised to square the whole square, so x raised to 4 plus, this is now 3 into 2 6, and this is 7 square 49. So you're dealing with 6 into 49. So that is going to be how much it will be? 294. So it's 294 x square, and 7 cube is 343 dx. Okay, so this will be equal to 8 into integral x raised to 6 dx minus 84 into integral x raised to 4 dx plus 294 into integral x square dx minus integral 343 into 1 dx. So which is equal to 8 into x raised to 7 upon 7. 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 minus 84 x raised to 4 plus 1 5 upon 4 plus 1 5 plus 294 x raised to 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 plus 1 3 minus 343 into integral 1 dx which is x plus c. Okay, so that's how this one will be solved. ये थोड़ा सा दिखने के लिए बड़ा है, but it's not that big also. You have to basic is just expand it and then solve it. So it's not a major hard problem. तो expansion तुम्हारा सही रहेगा तो सब कुछ सही है. Okay, so that's another kind of problem. So ये then fourth one integral, ये भी जरा learn कर लो, कभी भी आएगा तो 1 upon ax plus b dx. This always, its power is x raised to 1a, so it is very much similar to integral 1 upon x dx which is log x, log of mod x. Okay, तो ये log of mod या सिर्फ x रहेगा तो log ax plus b भी लिख सकते हैं, but coefficient of x is a, so it's 1 upon a and then plus c या plus k, whatever you want to use. Okay, it's a constant. ये formula होता है. So suppose I want to find integral 1 upon 7x plus 5 dx, then this will be 1 by 7 log of mod 7x plus 5 plus c. Okay, that's the answer. एक step में आ जाता है, but ये learn करना है. Make sure you learn this. This has to be learned. Integral 1 upon 3 minus x dx. So this is actually equal to integral minus x plus 3 dx, which is equal to 1 upon coefficient of x is minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 and log of mod minus x plus 3 plus c. In other words, it's minus log of mod 3 minus x plus c. Okay, so 3-4 problem I did little fast, okay, because the same type के इसलिए मैंने जल्दी कर लिया. Okay, I will go slow and try to keep that same speed we have been having, quite an average speed, consistent. मेरे को कोई घाई में जाने के ये नहीं है. Few hours go here and there more. हमारा भी 2 बजे खत्म हो जाएगा आज, but उसके बाद maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whatever, if the time is available with me, with you all, that we'll have to communicate with Suraj sir, and if it happens then we will have one more class, maybe 2 hours come. Let's see it. Okay, so ये हो गया. एक और एक problem लेना है. We took one of them, but e raised to 7x minus 2 dx, anything of this type. So this will be, ये कैसे करते हैं? So integral e raised to ax plus b dx. तो ये आएगा e raised to ax plus b because integral e raised to x is e raised to x. So ये e raised to x plus b आएगा, but coefficient of x is a, so that's 1 upon a and plus the constant of integration c. Okay. So integral 7 e raised to 7x minus 2, it will come 1 by 7 into e raised to 7x minus 2 plus c. That's all. Okay. तो ये थोड़ा जल्दी लर्न करो, जिसने कभी अभी तक देखा नहीं है. Those who have not done this in 11th 12th, I know it is difficult for you all, but if you can learn the formulas right now in one go, it will be very easy. Okay, तो थोड़ा तुम्हारा you'll start grasping it. Okay, so we are not going outside the syllabus, but जो है उतना ही. Now last time when I had taught CA foundation तो पूरा मैंने I think 2 years back it was because of COVID I didn't teach last year. So उसके पहले जो 2 साल पहले सिखाया था. We had done the problems that are there in that white pages जो है वो भी solve कर दिए थे हमने. So we had done everything. So anyway, sixth one. अभी sixth one क्या लूँ मैं? हाँ, integral 5 raised to 2 plus 11x dx. So there is very little difference between this problem and ये जो e raised to ax plus b ले लिया. The only difference is we have integral a raised to x dx जो आता है हमारा. What is the formula? It is a raised to x upon log a. This is the formula. So when you have something like integral a raised to alpha x plus beta dx, don't get confused by that symbol alpha, beta and all. It's just अभी कुछ तो लिखना था इसलिए alpha लिखा. You can write px plus q, that's fine. A raised to px plus q. तो इसका भी आंसर a raised to px plus q upon log a ऐसे ही आएगा. But the coefficient of x is p, so it will become 1 by p. Okay, that's all. It's same thing. एक ही फॉर्मूला लर्न करना है और उसका यूज कैसे होता है इन द नेक्स्ट इसमें वो लर्न करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू लर्न इंटीग्रल a raised to px plus q is 1 upon p into a raised to px plus q upon log a. ऐसे नहीं लर्न करना है. लर्न यही करना है फॉर्मूला. Okay, but then you have to see how it gets applied when some other coefficient comes. So this will become equal to 1 upon 11 because is the coefficient of x is 11 into 5 raised to 2 plus 11x divided by log 5 plus c. That's all. Okay, so no need to really learn the formula, but still I gave it in the form of the formula. The reason is some people are more good in learning formulas than applying logic. तो भाई तुमको जैसे जमेगा वैसे कर लो. Okay, but my suggestion is always logic is the best option. कि ये फॉर्मूला कैसे याद रखना है, इसको क्या करना है. तो एक ही फॉर्मूला में सब कुछ घुमा सकते हैं. ओके, देन सेवेंथ वन और क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें. साइन कॉस तो है नहीं, tan sec नहीं है. ओके, आई थिंक दैट्स क्वाइट. वन मोर लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस टाइप. 3 by 7x plus 25 raised to minus 11 by 3 dx. Okay, so the coefficient of x again is 3 by 7. So but this is power of x is 1 only, so no problem for us. It's ax plus b, so it is equal to 1 upon a. 1 upon a means 1 upon 3 by 7. Okay, 1 upon a is 3 by 7, so 1 upon 3 by 7, and this will be 3 by 7x plus 25 raised to minus 11 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 11 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this will become equal to 7 by 3 and this will become 3x plus 25 into 7. So how much is that? 175. Okay, and the whole thing raised to minus 11 plus 3, so it's minus 8 by 3 divided by minus 8 by 3. So this 3 and 3 cancels, and so the final answer will be minus 7 by 8 into 3x plus 175 raised to minus 8 by 3. Okay. Okay. So ये थोड़े से problems कर लिए. Now we will go back to that exercise we were doing. Okay. थोड़ा. सूरज सर. Sometimes when I'm teaching in the class, I know the good thoughts that students have concerning me. Okay. They are so pleased with me and they are muttering such good thoughts for me that I am aware of it. But I have to continue. So exercise 8B, हम लोगों ने first problem किया. Let's do the second one. Now you will recognize second problem is very easy. Integration of 3 minus 2x minus x raised to 4 is how much? अब कौन आया? सुमित आ गया. सुमित. How many people are there? 24. Okay. So 3 minus 2x minus x raised to 4 इसका इंटीग्रल निकालना है. तो वेरी सिंपल इट इज. ये तो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. ये प्रॉब्लम आया तो कुछ आसान ही आसान है. So this is equal to integral 3 into integral 1 dx minus 2 into integral x dx minus integral x raised to 4 dx. So which is equal to 3 into x minus 2, and integral x dx is x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1. ठीक है. एंड इंटीग्रल ले लिया हमने, so it will be plus. So this will become 3x minus 2 into x square upon 2 minus x raised to 5 upon 5 plus c. So the answer should be this 3x minus x square minus x raised to 5 upon 5. अभी ढूंढना है हमको आंसर. ये किधर है? फर्स्ट वाला तो नहीं है, 3x नहीं है. सेकंड इसमें 3x है, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है, करेक्ट है, माइनस एक्स रेज टू 5 अपॉन 5 है, एंड प्लस कांस्टेंट है. सो बी इज द आंसर. लेकिन एक टाइम सी देख तो लेंगे. 3x है, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है, प्लस है, तो इट इज नॉट प्लस. Okay, and D is none of this, so that's not an issue. So the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. Dipanshu Jadhav. सगळे लोक असे कसे उशिरा येतात? ऐसा कैसे करते तुम लोग? कोई कोई लोग तो 2 बजे आ गए. नहीं तो कितने बजे? 11 बजे आ गए. 11:10. I don't know who's leaving. 11:10 only you came. We are about to go. ऐसा आके क्या फायदा? ये जीना भी कोई जीना है लल्ले. Have I lost the meeting again? Then I'll cancel this. Any one of you was calling? Is anyone among you calling? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Yes, okay. No, because that phone came, so I have to ask. Okay, whenever that phone comes, I have to ask. कौन था पता नहीं. Okay, वो बैंक वाले रहेंगे कोई तो. Third one. Third problem, you are given f of x. Now I'll ask you only to solve this. 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5, and they asked you what is integral f of x dx. So integral f of x dx कितना है? It is equal to integral this dx. So find its value. Give me the answer. I'll wait for your. So anyone got the answer? Okay, I didn't see. Oh, then a more. Answer is B. Answer is B. 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 Okay. Right. You are right. I couldn't see the whole picture, so I thought answer is A initially. There was an option over there plus K. Okay. तो ये क्या आएगा इंटीग्रल? जिसको नहीं आया उनके लिए ये 4 इंटू इंटीग्रल एक्स क्यूब डी एक्स प्लस 3 इंटू इंटीग्रल एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स माइनस 2 इंटू इंटीग्रल एक्स डी एक्स प्लस 5 इंटू इंटीग्रल 1 डी एक्स. सिंपल. तो ये आएगा 4 इंटू ये अभी एक्स रेज टू एन इंटीग्रल इज एक्स रेज टू एन प्लस 1 अपॉन एन प्लस 1. So this will be x raised to 3 plus 1, which is 4 upon 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus 3 into x raised to 2 plus 1, which is 3 upon 2 plus 1, which is 3, minus 2 into x raised to 2 upon 2, and plus 5 into x, but plus constant of integration रहना चाहिए, plus c या plus k. Okay? तो ये 4 4 कैंसिल होता है, 3 3 कैंसिल होता है, 2 2 कैंसिल होता है. Answer becomes x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x plus k. Okay, now when you see the options given, उसमें जो first option है, it has its same values, x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x. So you might be tempted to write that as the answer. That answer is A. But answer is not A because it should have a constant of integration with it. And that is there available in B. X raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x plus k. तो वो जो constant of integration वो important था. Of course the C is क्या पता नहीं और लोगों ने इसे उसको लिख दिया 12x square. I think they took the derivative over there. 12x square 4x cube है उसका derivative लिया 12x square. 3x square का derivative ले लिया 6x. Derivative of 2x is minus 2 over there. And but I don't know how did they get to x square over there. Only आना चाहिए था. Whatever. Okay. Now the ones that is done. The next problem. Fourth one. Very simple. Fourth तो एकदम simple रहेगा. देख के लग रहा है. Integral x square minus 1 dx. इसमें तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है. X square minus 1 dx. Fourth one. So solve this. ये ऑप्शंस क्या दिए x raised to 5 upon 5 and all what have they given? Okay. So this will be equal to anyone who's got the answer? कौन खिलाड़ी कौन अनाड़ी खिलाड़ियों को मिल गया आंसर अनाड़ी ढूंढ रहे हैं डांसर. Okay, ऐसे टाइम बस B, that's right. Someone else also answered B, that's right. Okay, so it's very simple. Still, if people are not getting it, we can keep doing for some time at least. Integral x square dx minus integral 1 dx एकदम simple. वही फॉर्मूला जो हम लोग ने पहले सीखा x raised to n integral dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. तो ये x raised to 3 upon 3 and integral 1 dx is x plus c. Okay, so that's what the answer is given. B is the one that is the answer. Okay. Then integral 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x. Now who is going to do this problem? The one who is going to do this problem, raise up your hand. How I will see, I don't know. Okay. How to see from here if you raised your hand or not, with no photo and cameras and all, I do not know, but solve it. 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x. Anyone what to do? People don't talk, you all don't talk. It's very amazing for me. It's a batch that's full of girls and they don't talk. That's awesome. It's good. I should have come to teach in such a class. Because you have all girls who don't talk. That's awesome. That's like a miracle. C. Arjun has answered C. I don't know what the answer is. I'll have to check. Multiply both, that's right. सूरज सर बहुत खुश रहेंगे कि इतने सारी लड़कियां हैं और बातें कोई नहीं करता. Okay, so multiply. Many people are saying the answer is C. I believe it should be majority wins. So answer should be C. Correct. If you can't do anything, then majority wins. सबको पूछ लेना है क्लास में ये क्या है आंसर क्या है आंसर क्या है आंसर. सब लोग में C बोलते हैं तो C लिख देने. So that is there. So either you should study well or your eyes should be very nice. So if you have good eyes which can see from far off, specs नहीं है तुमको, बाहर का दिखता है उधर का मस्त, बाइनोक्यूलर ग्लासेस पहन के जाने का. Correct? That's an easy way of copying actually. People have not tried it, but it's an easy way. Binocular glass लगा दो. एक इसमें binocular लगा देने का. And then वैसे से turn करके देख लेने का. You'll see nicely. But focal length सब adjust करना पड़ेगा. So multiply this. So when you multiply with 1, you get 1 plus x. And when you multiply with minus 3x, you get minus 3x minus 3x square dx. And so this becomes equal to integral 1 dx plus integral x dx minus 3 into integral. Okay, I could have done something over here. X minus 3x is minus 2x. तो ये डबल काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. So minus 2x है ना. So minus 2 into integral x dx. And minus 3 into integral x square dx. Have I done it properly? कुछ गलती नहीं किया ना मैंने? Right. So this is integral 1 dx is x minus 2. Integral x dx is x square upon 2 minus 3 into x cube upon 3 plus k या c जो कुछ है. 2 cancels, 3 cancels. So the answer is x minus x square minus x cube plus k. Okay. What is that answer? X minus x square minus x cube. That is not the answer. A is not the answer. Neither is B the answer. C is the answer. This is like too much stupidity. Okay, fifth, sixth one. Integral root x minus 1 upon root x dx. Okay. So this is equal to integral root x upon root x minus 1 upon root x dx. तो root x cancel हो जाता है. So this will be equal to integral 1 minus 1 by root x dx. So it will be integral 1 dx which is equal to x minus. Can someone tell me integral 1 by root x dx? Anyone very fast? Okay, you might have been telling over there, I didn't see anything. No. Can someone tell me? Yeah, 2 root x. That's right. Remember, I was teaching, I told you, you should sometimes, if you remember these values, d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. In other words, 2 root x is 1 by root x. So, integral 1 by root x, 2 root x jaldi mil jata hai tumko. Okay, so you would have got this answer immediately. 2 root x and then plus c. But suppose you don't know, याद नहीं रह गया, होता है, करेक्ट। हम लोग तो चाबी भूल जाते हैं, चाबी इधर रखा था उधर जाते थे, अरे किधर रखा चाबी, पूरा घर ढूंढते, बाद में चाबी पॉकेट में मिल जाता है। सो ये तो कोई फॉर्मूलाज भूल सकते हैं, टेक्निक भूल सकता है इंसान, तो यू शुड नो व्हाट हैज टू बी डन इन दैट केस। तो इंटीग्रल यानी इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स डी एक्स है, तो राइट इट एज इंटीग्रल x रेज टू माइनस हाफ डी एक्स। Okay, root x is basically x raised to half. So when it comes in the numerator, it will be x raised to minus half. So this will be x raised to minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. And so that will become x raised to half divided by half. Okay. So here half का 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा 2, and this is x raised to half. So it's 2 root x. So you can find it like that also, but ये कितना मेहनत करना पड़ा। If you remember that, एक झटके में आंसर आ गया। And I am so sure if I come in midst of you people right now, some of you will want to hammer me, but अभी क्या करें? This is which problem we did? We did the 6th one, and what is the answer? C, 1 by what answer we got? I didn't see also what the answer was. I just found the integral, but I didn't see what the answer was. It comes as x minus 2 root x. Correct, na? X minus 2 root x. ये किधर है आंसर? I believe ये जो ऑप्शंस दिया है ना उसके हिसाब से, okay. See, I did this problem. This is right. Okay, there is no problem with this. But the question they have given is not like this. Okay, it is not like this. 6 ये correct है इसका, जो मैंने root x minus 1 upon root x लिया, that is correct. But what they have given is not root x minus 1 upon root x. This is not what they have given. They have given root x minus 1 by root x. That's the question over there. So you have to find integral this minus integral this. So this will be x raised to integral x raised to half dx, and here we directly लिख लेंगे हम लोग minus 2 root x. So this will be equal to x raised to half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus 2 root x. Okay. So this will become, in the denominator, this will become 3 by 2. So that 2 will come in the numerator. So it will be 2 by 3 and x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 root x. That is the answer. अब ये हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा कौन सा है. And plus constant, of course. Okay. तो a क्या है? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 मैच हो रहा है. X raised to 3 by 2 minus 2, x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 into x raised to, what is it? Half. So that's correct, because root x is x raised to half. Root x is x raised to half plus k. So this is the right answer. A is the right answer, but we will have to check it. बाकी के भी check करेंगे. It gives you 2 by 3. ये सब एक ही जैसे क्यों लग रहे हैं? 2 by 3, B का ऑप्शन है 2 by 3 root x. It's not root x, it should be x raised to 3 by 2. So this is rejected. C, it is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 upon 2x root x. No. Okay. So none of these are there. So only that first option, या जो कुछ था. Then the integral of px cube plus qx square plus rx plus w upon x is equal to, ठीक है, सॉल्व करेंगे, हम करेंगे सॉल्व px cube plus qx square plus rk plus w अपॉन क्या है, अपॉन x, इसका इंटीग्रल पूछा है। ओके, तो अभी ना थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्राई एंड सी, पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है इसको। ओके, देयर इज नो नीड कि पूरा का पूरा सॉल्व करना है। इसका फर्स्ट टर्म देखो क्या आता है, इफ यू टेक दिस वंस इंटीग्रल यू विल गेट p into x raised to 4 upon 4, ये तो आने ही वाला है। तो इफ यू सी द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इट इज px स्क्वायर, उधर दिया है px स्क्वायर, तो a ऑप्शन हो नहीं सकता है। उसके नीचे मुझे दिख रहा है c है 3px, वो भी नहीं हो सकता है। तो a एंड c हम लोग ने रिजेक्ट कर लिया। ओके, देन हम लोग px क्यूब बाय 3 पे जाते हैं b का, सो दैट इज आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज ये px क्यूब दिया है ना, और वाज इट px स्क्वायर, px क्यूब दिया है and they have asked us integral, so even b is not correct. Okay, it's px cube by 3, it's not correct, right? It should be px raised to 4 by 4. So none of these answers are right. So in this case it should be none of these. Okay, तो पूरा सॉल्व करने की हमेशा जरूरत नहीं रहती है। whenever you are doing MCQs, not always you need to solve the entire problem. What you have to do is keep an eye on what the answer is, and then you can start eliminating things as you get some terms, and you can reject most of the things over there. ठीक है, so इसका answer D रहेगा। Now they have said the 8th question, use the method of integration to integrate the integration function 4x plus 5 raised to 6, and the answer is, तो 4x plus 5 raised to 6 है, इसका इंटीग्रल पूछ रहे। दे आर सेइंग यूज द मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन। अभी हम लोग ने तो मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन सीखा नहीं है, अभी तक हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं। बट एट द सेम टाइम पेपर में व्हेन इट्स एन एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन, हाउ विल दे कम टू नो वेदर वी यूज्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन और नॉट? उनको कैसे समझेगा कि हमने सब्स्टिट्यूशन करके सॉल्व किया, हमारा दूसरा कोई तो टेक्निक से सॉल्व किया, हमारा दिमाग में ऐसे आया कर लिया, मटका मारा ने आंसर दे दिया, या बाजू के दोस्त है उसने मुझे बताया तो मैंने कर लिया। हाउ विल दे नो? दे डोंट नो। सो व्हाट दे आर कंसर्न्ड इन दिस केस आल्सो इज व्हाट इज द आंसर। एंड आंसर हम लोग ने ये प्रॉब्लम अभी जो स्टार्टिंग में किए 1 2 3 प्रॉब्लम, अभी जब वापस शुरू किए, we started doing these very same problems, 3x plus 5 raised to 7, so it is of that same nature। ये आएगा 1 by 4, okay, and this will be 4x plus 5 raised to 6 plus 1 which is 7 divided by 6 plus 1 which is 7 plus c। so इसका आंसर आएगा 1 by 28 4x plus 5 raised to 7 plus c। Is that okay? Am I clearer than before? कितने लोग हैं? 22 लोग हैं। मुझे लगा 40 लोग रहेंगे, या 39 लोग तो रहेंगे, तो फिर हमारा अली बाबा और 40 चोर हो जाता था। बट 22 लोग हैं तो 17 चोर भाग गए, मैं बन जाता था अली बाबा। ओके, तो दिस सब्स्टिट्यूशन से कर सकते हैं, वी विल लर्न सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड। इट्स नॉट दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लर्न, बट इसको जरूरत नहीं है ना, किस वो प्रॉब्लम को जरूरत होना चाहिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन का। सो द आंसर इज 1 by 28 4x plus 5 raised to 7, and that looks to be the first answer। 1 upon 28 4x plus 5 raised to 7 plus k। b हो नहीं सकता है because it's 4x plus 5 raised to 7 upon 7, it cannot be। and the third one C is 4x plus 5 raised to 7 upon 7. इधर तो प्लस कांस्टेंट नहीं दिया है तो उधर ही चले जाता है. So anyways the answer is A. Okay. Again, now they are saying use the method of substitution to evaluate x into x square plus 4 raised to 5. Integral x into x square plus 4 raised to 5 dx. ये हमको ढूंढना है. They have said use the method of substitution. Now in the paper it will never come like that. Using the method of substitution, find and all. वो तुम देखो कैसे ढूंढ करना है. तुम आंसर दो हमको. They will just give a question. Evaluate integral x into x square plus 4 raised to 5. That's all. वो अभी तुमको कौन सा मेथड से क्या तुम्हारा दिमाग चलेगा करो. हमको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है उससे. Okay, but this problem will be solved by substitution only. We can solve it directly, but it is too cumbersome. Direct method रहेगा कि पहले ये पूरा expand करो, x square plus 4 raised to 5 को expand करो. So it's a very huge job. Okay, so इसको shortcut होना चाहिए. Now substitution method क्या रहता है? Okay, that is important. So pay attention to what is a substitution method. What is done in substitution method? So substitution method में हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा उसको हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. ओके, वी मेक द प्रॉब्लम वेरी वेरी सिंपल बाय सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग सम वैल्यू. व्हाट डू वी सब्स्टिट्यूट? वो हमारे ऊपर है क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. ओके, दैट इज आवर चॉइस. बट ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन में हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि ये पूरा जो वेरिएबल्स है x, ओके, along with dx, ये वेरिएबल बन जाएंगे into some other variable. So suppose I change into a variable t, then I will also have the value dt along with it. तो जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो t के टर्म्स में आ जाएगा, like whatever it may come, t square, t cube, जो कुछ है आ जाएगा, and along with it it will have dt also. So the entire problem becomes integral t dt. For example, अगर ये problem somehow I am able to convert to integral t dt by some substitution, तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम देखो कितना इजी हो जाता है कि I'll just write it as t square by 2 plus c, and then t जो पहले सब्स्टिट्यूट किया था that I'll have to just substitute over there, वापस लिख दूंगा, आंसर आ गया. तो मुझे कुछ मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ेगा. That is what is done in substitution. So how do we do this? Okay, तो little bit it is trial and error method. Okay, but इसमें प्रोसीजर क्या रहता है कि if you substitute something, okay, like suppose I substitute x is equal to t square, suppose I substitute like this, then what I am supposed to do is I am supposed to take its derivative. तो इसका अगर with respect to x, so dx by dx will be d by dx of t square. Okay, तो ये तो 1 हो जाएगा, and d by dx of t square will be 2t into dt by dx. Okay, so I'll take dx this side and it will become 2t dt. तो यानी कि dx will be replaced with 2t dt and x will be replaced with t square. So for example, if I was doing it in this problem, then x will get replaced by t square. So this will become t square plus 4 raised to 5, and dx will get replaced with 2t dt. Okay, अगर ये प्रॉब्लम में ये मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो ये मैं करने नहीं वाला हूँ. I am not going to substitute x is equal to t square. That is just as an example I am telling you कि हम लोग जब सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, what we do is we change the variable entirely in terms of t, या जो कुछ नया वेरिएबल लिया रहेगा. ओके, तो अभी ये सब्स्टिट्यूट ऐसा करना है कि हमारा प्रॉब्लम आसान हो जाए. सो टू मेक दिस प्रॉब्लम इजियर we will use trial and error methods. तो हम लोग ने x is equal to t सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो कुछ मिला नहीं हमको, करेक्ट. x is equal to t, if I substitute I will get what, ये वेरिएबल सिर्फ चेंज हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम तो वैसे ही आएगा, वैसे के वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, t into t square plus 4 raised to 5 and dt. तो इसका तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. So we have to think of a substitution that will help us. Generally ये जो complicated part है x square plus 4, if you substitute that value as t, तो things will change little bit easily. तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे लिख लूंगा, ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 रेज टू 5 इंटू एक्स डी एक्स, ओके. Is that fine? मैं वो प्रॉब्लम ऐसे लिख लूंगा. Now I will put x square plus 5 as t, x square plus 4 as t. Now what am I supposed to do? इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर कितना है? 2x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 4 कितना है? 0. And then you write over here dx. And इसका डेरिवेटिव कितना है? 1. So it's 1 into derivative over there. So dt लिख देना है. So 2x dx, what I get is 2x dx is equal to dt, and therefore x dx is dt by 2. Okay. So see, in the above problem I am going to substitute x square plus 4 is equal to t. So this is my first equation, ये मेरा second equation है. And I am going to substitute x dx as dt by 2. Okay. So if I call this integral as I, then the answer I will get is integral, instead of x raised to 4, x square plus 4, instead of x square plus 4, I'll write t. So it will become t raised to 5. And instead of x dx, I will write dt by 2. Okay. So once I write that, then I'll take this half outside, and it will be integral t raised to 5 dt, which is half into t raised to 6 upon 6 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 12 t raised to 6 plus c. Okay. Now what was t? X square plus 4. It's 1 by 12 into x square plus 4 raised to 6 plus c. Okay. The problem is over. Okay. So had you expanded that x square plus 4 raised to 5, it would have been a very long expansion. You can do that expansion by something called as binomial expansion. ओके, जो साइंस स्टूडेंट्स है वो लोग ने 11th में सीखा है बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन. सो यू कैन डू दैट विथ बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय x एंड सॉल्व इट. बट अगर पेपर में तुम जाओगे तो तुमको ऑप्शंस तो ऐसे ही आएंगे ना, 1 by 12 x square plus 4 raised to 6. तो वो किधर से ढूंढोगे तुम कि किसका क्या है? फिर भी अगर किया तो आई विल टेल यू व्हाट टू डू. ओके, सपोज तुमने एक्सपैंड किया एंड यू गेट समथिंग लाइक 1/4, एंड ये सब एक्सपैंड करने के बाद तुम्हारा x raised to 5 या 3x raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 4 plus 2x cube, ऐसे कुछ तो आंसर आ गया. सपोज यू गेट दिस एज द आंसर. You want to check whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay, तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो? Say let's plus 10 भी ले लेते हैं. Okay, what you can do is कि तुम्हारे ऑप्शंस तो ये दिए थे ना, ऑप्शंस ये दिए थे. So you put x is equal to 0 for example over here. Okay, तो ये 0 सब करके आंसर कितना आएगा? 10 आएगा. 10 by 4 आएगा आंसर. Whereas if you put x is equal to 0 in this expression, so it will be 0 square plus 4, so it is never going to come 10 or nor it's going to come 4. So that means your answers are wrong. That's one way you can check, but that's not a good idea also. ठीक है, बता दिया एक ऑप्शन कि तुम ऐसे कर सकते हो. So the answer is 1 by 12 x square plus 4 raised to 6, which is that option. X square plus 4 raised to 6 upon 12 किधर नहीं? B is there, yeah. 1 by 12 x square plus 4 raised to 6 plus k. That's right. Now do this integral x plus a raised to n. Do it quickly. 10th problem. जल्दी से करो. x plus a raised to n.
A.
A, yes, that's correct. B में कांस्टेंट नहीं लगाया है, C तो गलत ही है. So the answer is A. Okay, it's still the same thing. Coefficient of x is 1. It's 1 upon 1. And then this is x plus a raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k. Okay, right. Now the next is the 11th one. Integral 8x square divided by, just 1 minute. Yeah, this one. Just hold on 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so this will be 8x square upon x cube plus 2 the whole cube dx. Okay, so in this case, what will be the answer? So we'll have to use substitution method over here. Okay, so in substitution we'll be putting x cube plus 2 as t. Okay, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, x cube plus 2 t substitute करेंगे. Because this problem cannot, we don't have any formula for this, so the only option that becomes is substitution. So it will be x cube plus 2 is t, and then इसका derivative लेना है. So when you take this one's derivative, you will get 3x square plus 0, and you write dx, which is equal to dt. Okay, 1 into dt. ये इतना याद रखो, ये ऐसा करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, 3x square dx. Now see the term we have in the numerator. We have x square dx है इधर. So we will write this expression like this: 8 into integral x square dx divided by x cube plus 2 the whole cube. Okay, so ये हम लोग ने ऐसे लिख लिया. We have got 3x square dx is dt. So we will try and find out what is x square dx. x square dx will be dt by 3. अभी ये सब चीज हमको इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. Okay, so when we substitute it, we will get this is 8 into integral x square dx के जगह पे dt by 3. So it will be dt by 3. And x cube plus 2 we have already substituted as t. So this is t raised to 3. Okay, and so this will be equal to 8 upon 3 integral dt upon t raised to 3. Okay, so this will become 8 by 3 integral t raised to minus 3 dt. Okay, which is equal to 8 by 3 into t raised to minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus the constant k, which is equal to 8 by 3 into t raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 plus k. Okay, तो ये माइनस तो रह जाएगा, 2 ones are 2 fours are, so it is minus 4 by 3 and t raised to minus 2 है, so it can be brought below t square plus k. And now what was t actually? It's minus 4 by 3. T we had was x cube plus 2 something, right? X cube plus 2 the whole square, okay, plus k. दिस वुड बी द आंसर. अभी हमको सिर्फ देखना है उन लोग ने कैसे लिखा है आंसर, उसके हिसाब से हम लोग आंसर दे देंगे. सो -4/3 फर्स्ट इसमें है, बट दिस वन लुक्स लाइक द आंसर, राइट? बिकॉज इट्स -4/3 into x cube plus 2 the whole square, that's right, plus k. So it is, this is the answer. A should be the answer. हम लोग B C भी देख लेते हैं. B is -4/3 into x plus, this looks much better. ये सही आंसर लग रहा है. तो इसका मीनिंग कुछ तो अलग है. that means ये -4/3 into x cube plus 2x square, इसका मतलब कुछ तो अलग है A का. We need to know what they mean by that. It's I can't predict also what it is. I thought it's -4/3 into x cube plus 2, जो हमारा आंसर है वैसे ही है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, बट B वैसे ही लिखा है -4/3 into x cube plus 2 the whole square plus k. इधर भी plus k है. I don't know what is the difference between them. I can't figure out. What should be the difference between them? -4/3 x cube plus 2 the whole square. See, to look, answer B looks much better off. Okay, that is straightforward. समझ में आ रहा है, यही आंसर है. माइनस है, 4 है, अपॉन 3 है, x cube plus 2 है, the whole square है, plus k है. So definitely B is the answer, but A is very confusing. What do they mean by whatever they have done? Okay. Perhaps they mean like this. It's -4/3. A का option -4/3 है, and then it's multiplied by x cube plus 2 the whole square. This is probably what they mean. Okay, so ये वो लोग ने ऐसा लिखा है -4/3 into x cube plus 2 the whole square plus k. That's what they must have done. But the second option जो B है, it's exactly the way we want it. So the answer will be B. We will check C. C में माइनस साइन नहीं है. B में जो है वो C में नहीं है माइनस साइन. So it's rejected. And D of course is none of these, so that's not an option. So the answer should be B. Okay. So we needed to know why A was rejected. तो वो शायद मिल गया हमको. Then the 12th problem. Oh. You all have good patience. You all are going to become CAs. Okay, इतना बैठने का अगर तुमको पेशेंस है तो तुम बन सकते हो CA. Okay, now there are 2-3 formulas I didn't give you. 2 formulas actually, and that is integral 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log of mod x minus a upon x plus a. ये एक फॉर्मूला है. एंड इंटीग्रल 1 upon a square minus x square dx is 1 upon 2a log of mod a plus x upon a minus x. Okay, so include this in that list of formulas. ये मैं देना भूल गया. Okay, because we just started integration, so I was not इतना फास्ट में सोच नहीं रहा था कि ये भी फॉर्मूला आज ही देना पड़ेगा. Okay, plus there is actually one more formula, dx upon x square plus a square, which you won't have. This answer is 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. तो ये तुम्हारे सिलेबस में आता नहीं है. Okay, तो this formula is there. Now how to remember these two formulas, at least these two. Okay, so I'll give you an idea how you can remember these two. Okay, तो एक तो चीज है ये 1 upon x square minus a square है and 1 upon x a square minus x square है. तो दोनों को 1/2a दोनों को है. Okay, this one, both of them have 1/2a, both have log of mod, both have log, correct? Log of mod दोनों जगह पे, and दोनों का numerator upon denominator है, right? So now how do you recognize, how should it be factorized? Okay, तो इसको हम लोग है ना फैक्टराइज करते हैं इन टर्म्स ये एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर, इसका फैक्टराइजेशन एक्स माइनस ए और एक्स प्लस ए, ऐसे ध्यान में रखो। इसका फैक्टराइजेशन आएगा x माइनस ए एंड x प्लस ए, वेयर एज दिस वन इज फैक्टराइज्ड एज a प्लस x इंटू ए माइनस एक्स। ओके, तो ये जब कांस्टेंट के साथ आएगा इट इज फैक्टराइज्ड एज a प्लस x एंड a माइनस x। सो विद दैट इंफॉर्मेशन अगर ये x माइनस ए x प्लस ए फैक्टराइज करते हैं तो इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय, तो आंसर फर्स्ट वाला वैसे ही मिल जाएगा। एंड ये a प्लस एक्स एंड a माइनस एक्स है, तो इसको तुम लोग ने ये कर दिया। ओके, सो इट बिकम्स log ऑफ a प्लस एक्स अपॉन a माइनस एक्स। इफ यू हैव एनी अदर इजी टेक्निक लेट मी नो, बिकॉज मुझे क्या है फॉर्मूला लर्न हो गया है, सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट एन इशू। इज देयर एनी इजी टेक्निक फॉर यू ऑल यू कैन थिंक ऑफ? इसमें कुछ सोच सकते हैं क्या? स्क्वायर No, I can't think right now. I think right now this is the best one. कि जो फर्स्ट टर्म रहता है उधर से शुरू करना है ये फैक्टराइजेशन। How do I remember that it has to be minus or plus? Okay, that is also an idea. ये अभी 1 upon x square minus a square है, तो how do I, and suppose you have 1 upon a square minus x square, so how do I remember that this was x minus a and x plus a, this is a plus x and a minus x? तो जो साइन ये कांस्टेंट टर्म का रहता है, a का जो साइन रहेगा वो पहला टर्म रहेगा, that means it will be plus or minus according to the sign of a। तो अभी see it will be factorized as x minus a and x plus a, ये दो टर्म्स रहते हैं, तो इधर ये माइनस साइन है, तो फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज x माइनस ए एंड देन x प्लस ए। इधर a इज पॉजिटिव, सो इट विल बी a प्लस x एंड a माइनस x। टर्म्स तो वही है a प्लस x a माइनस x। द क्वेश्चन वाज शुड आई राइट a माइनस x और a प्लस x, तो ये जो प्लस है इसके हिसाब से जाना है। ओके, दिस इसके हिसाब से, सो प्लस टर्म्स विल कम फर्स्ट, दैट्स व्हाई दिस विल बी a प्लस x अपॉन a माइनस x। Okay, so I hope you recognize what I am saying. If not, in any case, learn the formula. Okay, and that's the final option. I can tell you कि I'll have to leave you at your own disposal कि तुम learn करो, ये formula है, इसको learn करो। Okay, that is the last option I have. I tried to help you. Sometimes it helps some people are not helped. It's okay. Now again they are saying in this 12th problem, using the method of partial fractions of integration of f of x when f of x is equal to 1 upon x square minus a square and the answer is, तो अभी तुम कोई भी मेथड यूज करो, आंसर तो वही आने वाला जो आने वाला है, तो तुम यूज करोगे तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 upon x square minus a square, ये तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है, दिस इज 1 upon 2a log of mod x minus a upon x plus a। तो वो तुमको सिर्फ देखना है किधर है, and that answer is C, 1 upon 2a log of mod x minus a upon x plus a। पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस का मेथड कुछ भी रहने दो, हमको क्या करना है। ओके, as far as we are concerned, this is the formula, this is the answer। okay, now this 13th problem we can't do it right now because it speaks about an integration by parts। तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है we can do it only by integration by parts, which we will see later on। okay, as well as the 14th one, it is to be done by integration by parts, 15th one, 16th one, okay, and 17th one is ये अलग मेथड है, so we can't do that 17th problem right now, so we can try and do the 18th problem। okay, हम लोग 18th problem कर लेंगे। तो we have technically solved problems till 12th, करेक्ट, हम लोग ने 12th तक सब सॉल्व किया है, फिर 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 रख दिया है क्योंकि उसके मेथड्स अलग है, वो लर्न करने पड़ेंगे। Then we come to this 18, 19, 20, these we can do, these are definite integrals but normal है, हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो अभी ये डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल्स का चक्कर क्या है वो भी सीख लो। ओके, Now what happens is, first thing is learn like this. When we write something like this, brackets में x and we write suppose 0 and 5, then इसका value we find it out by first substituting the higher value x is equal to 5 minus the lower value x is equal to 0, and this is equal to 5. Okay, so I'll take one more example. Say x square है and we have 2 to 7, then we will first substitute x is equal to 7, it becomes 7 square minus, then we will substitute the lower limit which is 2 and it becomes 2 square. So this is 49 minus 4 which is equal to 45. करते हैं कैसा ज्ञान? Sometimes I feel no one is, oh I'm gone, I'm disconnected. When did I disconnect? When did I disconnect?